Join our team. We're hiring talented IT professionals. Are you passionate about technology and innovation? Do you want to work on cutting-edge projects that shape the future of IT? If so, we want to hear from you. At Inrika, we are at the forefront of technological innovation, providing top-notch IT solutions that drive businesses forward. Our mission is to empower our clients with robust, scalable, and secure technology platforms. We pride ourselves on fostering a collaborative and dynamic work environment where creativity and technical expertise thrive. Open positions: Business Analyst, Business System Analyst, Scrum Master, Project Manager, Product Owner, Cybersecurity Analyst. Why choose Inrika? E-Verified Company. 100% guaranteed placements. Above market compensation package. Top-notch certification and training with Fortune 500 companies. Innovative environment, work with the latest technologies and be part of projects that challenge the status quo. Career growth, we offer continuous learning opportunities, mentorship, and a clear path for career advancement. Team collaboration, join a team of IT professionals who are passionate about technology and innovation. Comprehensive benefits, enjoy a competitive salary and flexible work arrangements. How to apply? Ready to take your IT career to the next level? We'd love to hear from you. Send your resume and a cover letter to varma@inrika.com or call us on 732-217-2961. To apply through our online application portal, please visit www.inrika.com. Join Inrika and help us build the future of IT.